Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to blur video in your CapCut application. So to do that, first open your CapCut application and insert the video as required. So now all you have to do is to add the blur in the CapCut. Just on the top side you can see various options. Just click on effects, and over here you can see your video effects and body effects. All you have to do is click on video effects and then search for opening and closing. So over here you can see the various blur effects, so you can choose any one. So I'm just going to click on this blur and then drag this blur into our timeline. So wherever I want to add the blur, all I have to do is drag it to our timeline and then drag it to the time frame as well. So if I want to add the blur from this 6 seconds to 23, all I have to do is drag it from here till the 23 seconds. So let's play this, and as you can see we have the blur over here. So if you want to add another type of blur, all you have to do is delete this, add another type of blur, and then drag it onto our timeline. So that is how you can add blur in your CapCut video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.